So I have a 5-second coffee break. Chop, chop, chop. Drink the coffee. See you later. On my way again. I'm at Surasak Station in the Sathorn area, and I am on my way back to Sukhumvit, and I just wanted to show you guys the central business district. So that's basically the whole area that I'm gonna bike now, which means whole Sathorn Road and then Witthayu Road or wireless. And this is the main area where you have all the big office buildings. So enjoy this ride. Yeah, what I said, we just passed the Surasak Station, and the next station should be Chong Nonsi, or is Chong Nonsi. But they are constructing a new station in between, which you can see just in front of me now. I actually do not know what the name of this station is, but it's been in the planning for a while. Yeah, so it's Sunday. It's the end of a long day. I made quite a few videos. Yeah, so they just put another station in between here. Fortunately, I cannot read Thai, but I will check it and put it in the description. I know this road well because you have the Myanmar embassy on here. And if you want to travel to Myanmar, you always have to get your visas from here, so this is why I know this place. Here you have the W Hotel, and a very nice view of the Mahanakhon, the Ritz-Carlton, or the King Power. Yeah, what I said, this is a lot of offices and hotels in this street. Oh, it seems that I have a green flow, so I can basically just keep on driving if nobody cuts me off. Yeah, I had this idea that this was gonna give some nice views of the buildings here, and it surely does, because the sun is setting in my back. See, I'm here on my special bicycle lane. You see the little bicycle guy in the middle. This is a building called the Met. Nice units in there. And here on this street you have the Singaporean embassy, the German embassy. If I'm not mistaken, the Australian embassy, but I'm not sure. It's a new building there. To keep it pushing a little bit, I just don't want to stop. Here's the Protestant Church for All People. This street is called Soi Convent. Wonder why? That building over there is the banyan tree, which has been famous for a very long time for having an amazing rooftop. And I think it was one of the first top 5 rooftops in Bangkok. another green light. You always have to be very careful when these cars are standing there like sharks, ready to jump in front of you. Yeah, so this was a very quick one through Sathorn. And I see the lights are still on red. Okay, what is this guy gonna do? You gonna go or not? So there I can cross Rama 4 into Wireless Road, and with a little bit of luck that one will jump on green. It's been red for ages. You know, some of these traffic lights here, they are sometimes you have to wait for like, I don't know, 4 minutes or something, but it's green. But have to be careful with these cars here that are signaling that they go left. So better. There we go. Oh, I'm a happy camper. So this is the Thai-Belgian bridge. And then here to the left you have the Lumpini Park. And we are now in Wireless Road. This is the One Bangkok. Some people were asking to give an update about One Bangkok, but as you can see, they are still doing the groundwork here. So nothing coming up yet. But anyway, this is my update. Actually, if I look at these machines that they have here, that is still drilling. So they are still making the, I guess, the parking space. Yeah, so here to the left we are passing the Lumpini Park. Yeah, I'm afraid I have to make one red light stop because I cannot see that one jump on green before I get there, or maybe I should slow down a little bit. Oh yeah, well, 35 seconds, 30 seconds, could be. So here is the entrance to Lumpini Park. And if you want to take the... there's this, let's say the green road that connects Lumpini Park with the Ploenchit Park. For that you have to go up here. You see here the stairs. And then you turn right. And again I have the green light. So it looks like somebody sponsored this video. So that's where you have the walk towards Ploenchit Park, but I'm gonna continue here towards Ploenchit. I walked here the other day and the staff of the US Embassy stopped me with filming, which I completely agree with. But I think if I just go past here with the bicycle, and out of respect, I will just point my camera in the other direction. I mean, this is the, I think this is the visa part of the American Embassy, and this is the part of the embassy that they didn't want me to film. So let me show you the Rolex building. I don't know if it's the Rolex building, but I know that Rolex has an office in there. The Witthayu Towers. Yeah, so we're almost at Ploenchit. Well, I see on my counter we're at 10 minutes. So it's 10 minutes on a bicycle from the river to Ploenchit. Not bad. Not bad at all, if I might say so. Yeah, if you guys hear me breathing heavily, I have been biking the whole freaking day, man. Oh. Around this time with these lights you get really nice, you get a really nice shine of all the office buildings here. This is the Ateneo Hotel. Oh, this is so perfect. So the traffic light's on red over there, but it's exactly where I want to turn right. So it's better for me to have a red light there. You have the Central Embassy Mall, Ploen Chit BTS Station. Okay, I will just keep filming. I will turn right in the direction of Sukhumvit. So I have a 5-second coffee break. Chop, chop, chop. Drink the coffee. See you later. On my way again. So I'm heading to the right here, which normally if you come with a car, this is it's not possible to cross through here towards Sukhumvit, also with the motorcycle. But with a bicycle, you're basically a pedestrian. Here's the Ploenchit station. Yeah, so I went from the river to the beginning of Sukhumvit Road in under, I think, 12 minutes, which is pretty impressive. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe, press the like button, and see you guys in my next video.